So it's good. I'm back at it, YouTube. I'm beat. It is 8 something in the morning. I couldn't sleep, so I woke up and just hopped to it. Let me see. Nothing major, man. All stock. LS1. I ain't got too much room in my garage. But you see it. Some Corvettes. And I painted. If you look at my previous videos, you'll see them. Start this thing up. Keep this video straight. Somebody broke into my shit, so you gotta excuse the mess. Gotta go get some gas. That's her, people. Thanks for watching. Ain't nothing major done. It's a normal Z28. Peace.